Okay, what's going on, guys? This is a video on the EZY SS1. I'm going to make this short, but I'm going to make it so you can understand it. So I did start at my radio. I used my DD1, and I found out what my maximum volume is before it distorts, which is 34. That's an Alpine radio right there. Now, in the back here, I have it hooked up. So what I did is, at first, I used the DD1 and found out what my clipping was at, and used my voltmeter, which is 1210, is a little below clipping. Then I wired it to the EZY SS1. Again, I'm only using this one amplifier. So I go to turn up the EZY SS1, and by the way, it says leave the subsonic all the way up, the LPF all the way down. Leave your gain control at a minimum. Who the hell knows what a minimum is? But anyway, I'm sure that means all the way down. Okay, so that's what I did with the amp when it came to trying out the EZY SS1. So I go to turn it up. I turn it up all the way. The maximum voltage I got out of there was like 86, not even close to where it needs to be. So what I did is I called up tech to find out what's going on. It explained it to me. The way they explained it in the directions are a little different than the way that it should be, but so you can leave the LPF down, the subsonic down. Set your amplifier for its gain control, all of them, to clip in close to it. Doesn't have to be perfect. You don't need a DD1. Just use your clip light. Just make sure it's below the clipping. Set up your EZY SS1, and then you can use this to control everything. What I did was, after I did that to this one amp, I hooked it up. I turned up the gain control. You can see where it is. This is a little bit more than halfway. Perfect. 1210. All of them are matching. What I did is I changed it, and I turned up my subsonic and LP up from here. Of course, I keep my phase down. Works mint. Awesome. I'm glad to have it. Now, if I ever wanna, let's say, because it's way below clipping right now, turn it up a little bit more in the future, because it is below clipping, I ain't gonna go disconnecting all the speaker wires from these things. All I gotta do is disconnect the speaker wire from that one amp, set a multimeter or the DD1 or whichever I want, just to turn it up a little more, turn it up, sure it's not over clipping. Now, right now it's below. I'm saying later on in the future, if I want to go up a little, it's a brand new system. I can go up to clipping just a little below by controlling that SS1 right there. The EZY SS1 works great. Had to figure it out, but I give it an A+. You just gotta know how to use it. And again, it could depend on the amplifiers as well. The JP amps may be different, but it does say keep your amplifier gain at a minimum before hooking that up. And now in my case, I did. Once again, with a JP amp, it could be different, but I did set my gains on all the amplifiers before using it, and they all match perfectly. There you go, guys. Works great. EZY SS1.